Welcome to Tech Tips for Content Creators. We're going to show you here how to use OBS to convert your file from an MKV file to MP4 file. So let's get started. So I'm working in Premiere Pro and I recorded something in OBS and it came up as an MKV file, and now I need to convert it to MP4 file because it won't import into Premiere Pro. So let's take a look. So here's my MKV file right here, and I try to drag and drop and we get a little error here. It's the file has an unsupported compression type, so now we need to change the format for the file. So let's go ahead and over here to OBS and take a look. So now I'm in OBS and I want to convert the file from the MKV file to MP4 file. OBS has made it really simple to do that. We're going to go here to File, Remux Recordings. Then we're going to go to OBS Recordings, hit these three dots right here. My MKV file pops up. Now I already have it set to the file where it goes to. So I'm going to select the MKV file, click Open. It automatically knows to switch it over to MP4 file. So once it does that, I'm going to click Remux, Recording Remuxed, and see it was really quick. So this file was super small, so it was a really quick remuxing or conversion. And if you have a larger file, of course, it's going to take a little bit longer to convert. So we're going to just close this. I'm going to reopen Premiere Pro. Once I reopen Premiere Pro, I'm going to take a look at the file now. Now I have a MP4 file. So I'm going to drag and drop that over here to import media. And boom, it just pops right in. No problems. Then you take this over here, add it to your timeline, and you're ready to go. So if this content helped you, put a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. More tech tips to come. Thank you.